Heat a pan over mentioned heat and add 3 cups water, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar. Stir well and bring to a light boil. Add the flour gradually, stirring continuously until the dough absorbs the water and comes together. Remove from heat and let the dough cool slightly. Grease a cutting board with a little oil and place the dough on it. Lightly oil your hands and knead the dough very well until smooth. Divide the dough into small balls and flatten each one to your preferred shape. Heat 3 cups of oil in a deep pan. Fry the dough until golden brown on both sides. Remove and drain on paper towels.